Oh, you're up.
What's going on, Junior? How's everything, man?
Good.
Good stuff, man. So we're here at 11 Mill Street.
Yep, this is our project, 11 Mill Street. And then let's go inside.
Finally able to make it happen, man. Let's go. Let's check it out.
Come on. Check it up a little bit.
Yeah, great feel.
Open the door just so you guys can see.
Nice, great
The
storage.
Storage, another closet area.
Seating bench.
Right there.
Yep.
Walking in, this is the living room. Fireplace.
Wow.
With the herringbone.
Love the light fixture as well, man.
The light fixture. Little touch of the glass stair railing right there as well too.
Very cool. Very nice. You want to show us the kitchen? You always bring us a tour around here, man.
Good modern kitchen with the double door fridge.
We got a glass panel on the fridge too.
Yeah, with the lacquer cabinets to make it even more modern. With the full height backsplash, quartz countertops, pop out outlets.
Check that out. That's pretty cool.
Cool feature.
You're my first friend and borrower to use those in a house, man. I love it.
Yeah, we had no options, to tell you the truth. We had to outcome this little issue that we had. So we couldn't put anything over here because the electrical box,
it wouldn't fit.
It wouldn't fit.
Yeah.
So we found the pop out.
Love it.
As a little feature. We have the LEDs on the bottom. We put warm lighting throughout the whole house. The range, gas range as well.
Very cool.
Yep. This is a little space that we had here. We made a pantry to fit for more space.
Right, and you guys went all out on the main pantry.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then we have this beautiful push to open door on the main pantry that opens right up. And for the buyer, they can set it up how they want.
Something in a lot of houses, you don't see enough storage in the kitchen and the house as a whole, so this is great. Put the vacuum in there, brooms,
everything.
Extra food, paper towels, whatever you want. Yep, I love it.
As we're exiting the dining room, we have this extra room over here. For a sitting area, we have set it up as a whiskey bar area. Also, we could do a coffee bar on this corner. But as we see, it's a nice cozy location. The master bathroom with the porcelain big tiles, which is no seamless.
Very nice touch here.
Floating cabinets in there, separate little room for the toilet, and the lighting and the LED lights in there. And then we can go back to the master again. Another overcome of the project as well too, because we had no walls.
This is a great touch, man. I mean, it really makes the space feel larger. It sections off the closet, the walk-in closet area, and really makes the bed the focal point of the room. So it's very cool.
Yeah.
Nice
and out back here,
yep.
we have a full custom closet.
Wow.
For the boss.
For the boss, baby. That's right. Love the built-ins, plenty of storage.
A lot of hanging space.
Absolutely, even comes with Louis Vuitton merch.
Yep, Tom
Gucci.
Ford, Gucci, Burberry.
There you go, man. But you have a nice library / office space. Yep, the kids can work here or
main bath as well too on the first floor, and then a nice full room with the full closet right in there. Walk-in closet right in there with the barn doors, little wood details.
You look like you're ready for HGTV, man.
Rob. We have the upstairs of the house, and there's a full bath up here. There's another spare room for the kids' storage area that we finished as well as a bonus room. With the vinyl floors, baseboards, we painted it. Again with my large format tiles, quartz countertops, floating vanity in here too. Walking out of here, we have a full bedroom with a sitting area, closets, and a lot of closet space again. Down here we use this part to put the bed in and have a nice view of outside. And we have the office right here.
This bathroom came out amazing as well. You guys got the large format tile in there.
Yeah, and the glass
Yep, all glass. I love it, man. You didn't spare on any expenses. A lot of flippers will just leave the glass to the next guy, right? Or girl, but in your case, you guys went all the way, man. I love it.
The garage right in there.
This is the Batman garage, guys. Check it out.
This is a 2-car garage right in here. Fits a large SUV in the back, a nice sports car right up front. We are in Manchester, so we have to remember.
Absolutely, man. Folks love their sports cars and family vehicles.
Yeah, coming right in, we have the laundry, and we did a little butcher block effect in there. I do love the wood warmth around the house.
Oh yeah, no, it definitely speaks to the design, man. You're very conscious about it.
Coming in right into after the laundry, there's a full bath with the custom glass again, and nice vertical subway going up.
Nice
little
touch.
change. Instead of the brick, we did a brick going up and down.
I love it.
And again, we got a full wet bar, right, bro?
Wet bar, love it. It's a great space for entertaining down here. You can have a kids party. The kids will be down here having a blast. You got some extra space over here on the side with the fireplace as well. Another great fireplace with the herringbone pattern, man. You guys, you spared no expense, Junior. All the wood trim.
Yeah.
And the nice cuts and the finishes, man. It looks really nice, man. The colors came together amazing.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man. Well, that's pretty much it for the tour here. Junior, thanks for giving us a tour again.
Thank you.
Great work on the house, man. Yep. Looking forward to seeing you guys sell it and moving on to the next one.
Okay.
All right, man.
I'll see you guys very, very soon.
All right, man. Take care. Taking off here.